At Pure Solutions, it's sometimes necessary to schedule a walkthrough for our turf services due to circumstances that require us to view your property in person. Our friendly turf specialists will introduce themselves and allow you to show them the target areas of interest. This might include weeds, discoloration, or empty patches. This is a perfect opportunity for clients to ask any questions that they might have about these areas and learn how our services can benefit their lawn. One reason we might schedule a walkthrough is that our satellite imagery wasn't able to properly capture the sizing of your property. Our specialists utilize a measuring tool to give you the most accurate quote that we can. In addition to our lawn assessment, we evaluate the soil's health by measuring its depth and analyzing its consistency. After assessing the status of your lawn and the target areas, our specialists will take some pictures to reference when creating a proposal. To ensure no detail goes unnoticed, our experts will jot down essential findings and other notes that may prove valuable in the future. After your walkthrough ends and our turf specialist leaves your property, you should expect a call or email with your updated proposal. Make sure to reach out to our office team if there are any outstanding questions they can help answer.